Hello everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the second session of Java and Web, Variables, Data Types and Operators. In this video, we will learn about keywords in Java. In the last video named Identifiers in Java, we learned about identifiers. Now we know that the identifiers are the names decided by the programmers, which follow a fixed set of rules. There are some words in a Java which follow all the rules followed by the identifiers, but cannot be used by the programmers. The Java has fixed some subset of identifiers for the special usage. These fixed words are called keywords. Although the keywords are the subset of identifiers, as a programmer we cannot use keywords for naming variables, classes, etc. Keywords are the subset of identifiers reserved by Java for special purposes and cannot be used by programmers for naming variables, classes, etc. These are some fixed words in Java. Some of them are already used, like int, class. These words we already used in our previous programs. We will use all of them in Java and Web series. There are total 50 keywords in Java. We cannot use any of them as a variable name or class name, etc. Even if they are following all the rules followed by an identifier. If we try to use them as a variable name or class name, then the compiler will generate an error and the code will not be compiled. Keywords are reserved words in Java for different purposes. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers, means programmers cannot decide a name which is a keyword. Let's run this program and check the behavior of the compiler. I saved this program on desktop by the name of first1.java, vi first1.java. You can see here we are trying to use class word as a variable name, which is not possible. Even if the word class follow all rules followed by an identifier, but it is a keyword. You cannot use it as a variable name. You can see the class word has different color. A good editor gives a different color to a keyword. Let's try to compile this code. Save it. Java C first 1.java. This much error. All these errors are produced because we used class word as a variable name. So we cannot use class as a variable name or any other keyword listed here as a variable name. Any of these words cannot be used as a variable name or class name. There are various ready-made classes, interfaces, packages, etc. in the Java API. For example, string is not a keyword. It is a ready-made class in the Java API. Names of these classes, interfaces, packages, etc. are not considered as keywords. So we can use these names as a programmer decided identifiers. We can use these names as a variables, classes, etc. But this is not a good programming practice to use a name which belongs to the Java API as an identifier. Let's change our last program and use string as a variable name. Now open the first1.java file again. And instead of class, write here string. string. String is a ready-made class in Java. It's not a keyword. So we can use it as a variable name or class name. Write here string and also write here string. Save it and compile it. Java C first1.java. This time there is no error shown by the compiler. Now type Java first. Since class name was first, that's why we have to pass the class name here, Java first. And it prints string is equal to 2. Means this is not an error to write Java API's class name, package name, interface name as an identifier. But this is not a good programming practice. String is a ready-made class in Java API. Although we are using it as an identifier, but we should not. This is not a good programming practice to use Java API's class name, interface name or package name as an identifier. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.